Alright guys, little update. It's been about 3 weeks, but the other day towing, I had to make a tight turn and I rubbed up against the median, as you can see there and up there. I felt it. There's not much I could do as I was trailering a pretty long trailer in a really tight spot, so it happens on these type of trucks, especially since I use it as a tow vehicle. But as you can see, the Dura coating completely came off. No damage to the tire. It was not a hard rub, but enough to completely take off the coating. All right guys, so we went ahead and touched up the areas that were rubbed off. We went ahead, I didn't clean the tire as we did on the first initial pass in that video that you had seen us clean it, but I just went ahead and touched it up. I gave it 2 coats. It looks pretty good. And overall, the back tire is still holding up. It looks great. It looks as if we washed the car yesterday and added tire shine. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Now, with that experience on the front tire, since I rubbed up and it came off, something to think about if you have an off-road vehicle or maybe a tow vehicle such as this, if this is a product that you want to put on it. But other than that, it's been great.